G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. While everyone's getting ready, I'm just going to quickly zip down the road and have a look at this supposedly haunted location. Is that it right there? I think it is. Oh wow. Oh wow. It doesn't have the White Horse Inn stuff on it anymore. Wow. That would make a... They don't have the, they used to have the White Horse Inn written on there, so... Like, if you look it up on Google Maps or Google Street View, you can see it. But anyway, this place is haunted, supposedly, so... I'm going to park Vulcan right here. Well, if he stays put. And I might snap a couple of photos of it. Put it on Instagram. What the hell is that? I don't think I'll bother with getting my camera out of my bag. I'll just use my phone. I don't want to take my gloves off because it's fucking cold this morning. Alright. Oh, I didn't post that. 1 second, guys. Here we go. Alright, camera. Oh, wow. Alright, let's see if we can get some nice Instagram photos here. That looks like a good one right there. Yeah. What's this place? The marketplace. Okay. Wow. It looks really cool. Be nice if the sun was more on it though, but that's alright. I've got a bit of a snuffly nose, so sorry. Wow. This place used to be a... This place is heritage listed. I think it's the second oldest building in this part of New South Wales. Sorry. Wow. I like that a lot. That looks really cool. I might take a selfie as well. Alrighty. Selfie with my bike and the building itself. There we go. Alright. Now, post those on Instagram. I wonder if that place is still open to the public. Or do you need like special permission to get into it? There's apparently a jail over that way as well. I'll definitely have to come back here sometime in the future and do some like ghost hunting or something like that. That would be really cool. Alright, I'll just quickly post those on Instagram. Not too bad, how you doing? Good. Is this the White Horse Inn, or used to be? Yeah. Why'd they remove the sign on the front?
They're getting ready to do a bit of paint and all that sort of stuff.
Oh, okay, like a what is it, remodeling or
Yeah, sort of like remodelling, but
Yeah.
not actually, restoring it or anything.
Okay.
We don't restore it, but
Yeah.
whether it's going to be called the White Inn again, we don't know.
Okay. Yeah, because a friend of mine who lives just down the road here, he said that this place is haunted. Apparently, it's got a few ghost stories.
So they say, yeah, they're the old cells from underneath. See down there, the big vents.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Yeah, because I'm really into the paranormal. I was just wondering if maybe one day I could come back here and do a little bit of ghost hunting or something.
A bloke by the name of Jimmy drowned in here back in the days.
Okay.
Because it's all underground floor.
Mhm.
It's underground in there. The cells are.
Yep.
So when they built it in that time,
Mhm.
they would have had to dig a drain. So they've got a drain going down to the river way
Yep. Yep.
underneath.
Mhm.
Apparently, there was no infrastructure done then.
Yeah.
But apparently, the story goes is that the water, there was none of all this sort of stuff back then in the 1832s.
Yeah.
And they were drowned in there.
Wow.
And there was more than one, but all we know is one name, full of a name of James or Jimmy.
Wow. That's pretty incredible. Wow. All right. Well, thanks for that. I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Wow. You guys heard that right? Wow. Man, this place has got a few ghost stories. So they're apparently doing some renovations and remodeling on it. Right. Let's ride back over to the pub and wait for the others. I'm tempted to ride past the gate, tempted to ride past the jail as well, but I mean, if I had more time to really check this place out, I would, but I don't think I do. Because we sort of got like a schedule and whatnot to meet today, so we can't really spend too much time, you know, exploring. But oh well, what the hell? There's always next time. And next time I'm keen for another like 1,000-kilometer ride, because we're down in like, you know, like mid-southern New South Wales near Canberra. So yeah, if you guys know this area or you're from this area or whatnot, then let me know.